Germany vs Japan. This is a very tough match for both teams. The semi-final of the men's team table tennis at Tokyo Olympics 2020. Game 1. German double team has beaten the Japanese double team 3-2. Game 2. Tomokazu Harimoto has beaten the bronze medal Ocharov. In this game, Tomokazu Harimoto played very well. Game 3. Timo Boll has defeated Jun Mizutani 3-1. Mizutani can't make any difficulty to Timo Boll. Both are left-handers. Timo Boll can read very well the serve of Mizutani. Game 4. Tomokazu Harimoto gets 2 points for Japan. He is the hero of the Japan team. The deciding game will depend on Kokiniwa. Game 5. Ocharov has beaten Kokiniwa 3-0. Germany kept us guessing till the last game, as they overcame Japan in the marathon 3-2 match to go through to the men's final to face China.